Yeah, no, I didn't really clean it up, but it is only recently bought bag, so it's
Okay, it's lovely.
better than
I love
normal.
these ones that open out like that.
And that's what I always wanted.
Yeah.
Now, it's not quite as big as I thought it was going to be, because it's
Okay.
all packaged up when you buy it. But anyway, look,
Okay.
we're happy. And leopard print never goes out of fashion.
Gorgeous, yeah.
Okay, so what are some of my favourite things? I've kind of gone off foundation
Okay.
lately, so
I love this, yeah.
I
Gorgeous.
love that glow.
Stunning, yeah.
And this is a gorgeous one as well, the Yves Saint Laurent one.
Okay.
I got that
As
as
your
birthday.
foundation, or is this just a base?
As my foundation.
Okay.
So I'll do one or other of those
Okay.
all over the skin, and then a little concealer
Instead of a foundation. Okay.
under the eyes or around the nose or wherever I think I might need
Yeah.
it. And then that's kind of it.
Okay.
I usually whack on this bronzer,
Yeah, I love
which
this.
I love.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
I did get influenced to buy, is it even in here, because I failed with it so much, one of the cream sticks like this.
Okay.
It was a Mrs. Makeup one, and it was brown, because I really like the look of that.
Yeah.
So when people are contouring and doing up here, and then I'm just not good at it, I just looked a
Okay.
bit like the chimney sweep
Okay.
from Mary Poppins.
Is it in there? Because I'd love to use it.
Yes, I'll find
And
it.
then you'll
If-
see how to use it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that'd be amazing. Oh, here it is, here it is, here it is. So
Okay.
it still remained, it didn't get thrown away.
Okay. Isn't just. Oh yeah.
And you think I
Gorgeous.
chose the right shade?
Yeah. Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, because I thought it looked gorgeous on Nikki when she was doing it in her
Yeah,
video.
It's beautiful. It's just about like, did you put on kind of maybe too much?
Maybe, and like it was my first time going down
Yeah.
this road.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, when you've never used a certain type of product, it is hard to get used to it. So I'd say like use smaller bits and then build it up, you know, and
Yeah.
until you get used to it. But it
Yeah.
is, yeah, that's gorgeous. Okay.
And that's the way to do it. That's that sun-kissed look, isn't
yeah,
it?
Yeah.
And then I love this cream blush, and it's like a peachy kind of colour.
Okay.
That's a So-Sue one, so I really like that too.
Gorgeous. Yeah.
I am allergic to a lot of eyeshadows, so I can't
Okay.
use Charlotte Tilbury, which is devastating because
Okay.
she's got all the sparkly ones,
Yeah,
and that's
yeah.
the thing that I'm allergic to.
Okay.
Now, I
Yeah.
can take an antihistamine and use eye drops, but
Yeah, but it's.
who has time to think
Yeah,
of all these
yeah,
things?
of course.
So I asked my sister to get me a new eyeshadow palette, so she got me that
Yeah,
for
that's
Christmas.
gorgeous. Lovely.
So that's a nice one.
Yeah, beautiful.
Apparently she was in Brown Thomas showing pictures of me and everything, so it was very well
Yeah.
thought out.
Perfect. Okay.
What else? I mean, then we're kind of coming to the end of the line for me. I mean,
Yeah.
obviously I have this kind of pressed powder thing,
Okay.
because what I do find with those glow products, and I had this, which I did love.
Yeah, I love this as well. It's gorgeous, but it is. How is
I
your
was
skin?
shiny.
Yeah,
I'd be
yeah,
very,
okay.
very shiny.
Okay. Would you be
And-
oily naturally?
Yeah, I think
Okay,
so. And
yeah.
I've done a couple of things where, say I've been filmed being interviewed in a podcast, and I would have
Yeah.
like checked my makeup, dabbed myself down, gone in,
Yeah.
and when I look back, I mean, I'm literally like shining. You can see me from space.
Okay.
So it's
With
trying
this
to
on?
get that right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've
Yeah.
got a bit scared of that now.
Okay, yeah. I mean, it is beautiful, but I wouldn't recommend it for someone with oily skin, because it is like, it's not even like a full foundation. It's kind of like the Flawless Filter, but with just a little bit more. So it is going to give you that glow.
Yeah.
So for something like that and filming, and maybe if you hadn't put powder in the right places, I can understand why it was just
I
too
just
shiny.
need you to come everywhere with me.
Perfect.
Then I love this, actually. This is a product, again, influenced. Refi. Have you come across these guys?
Yes, yeah, I have, yeah.
Like, it's a wind up. I mean,
Lip
the plastic is not
liner.
great, but there's no pairing involved.
Okay, yeah.
And then there's this kind of cool thing, the other side. And whatever that is, it's like a lip balm, but it kind of sets, and then that does not budge
Okay.
for the night, and it's a really nice colour.
Okay.
So I'm really into that. And
Okay.
so that was one of those kind of late night clicks that
Okay,
actually
yeah.
paid off in the end. Yeah, and that's it. Apart from all the usuals, you know, mascara, lip gloss.
And I see something for your brows. Yeah. To fill in brows.
Yeah, sometimes. I mean, I try and keep on top of getting my
Love
brows
this.
done. I have that one. I think
love
that's
this.
all out.
Okay.
So that'll just show you.
Okay.
And then there's another one. 'Cause sometimes they do. They need a little brush, don't they?
Just,
a little
I
shape.
think, I think when you're doing like a full, because you're going out tonight, and so if we have something on your eyes, I mean, you do have lovely brows, and are they?
Yeah, they're microbladed.
Okay, yeah.
The bit that was missing, the bit that I plucked away in the 90s
So like
was
you
put
just
back.
need a tiny bit even there, so it's good to have something. You
Yeah.
know?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
And then that's it. Then the trusty lip balm.
Yeah.
And Pillow Talk unpaired lip liner.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so we'll get started then with all these.
nice. And like I said to you, you used loads of powder. And that's what makes a difference, isn't it?
But small amounts of powder, because if you use too much, it will be too powdery. So I was using tiny amounts, and I was using this brush and pressing it in here around the chin, around the points that will be oilier. So chin, around the nose, around the forehead, because like we were saying, we want it to be dewy and not shiny.
Yeah.
So tiny amounts and building it up so that you don't feel really powdery, but it's still going to set.
And a little brush like that.
A small little brush like that is good, yeah.
I'm always the big, huge sponge or
Yeah.
a big, massive one, and you just want to dab it on.
And with the sponge, you can't really tap off the excess, whereas with the brush, I always apply the powder and then like give it a little tap, even just off my hand.
I'm having a little cry here. I'm so moved.
That's okay.
Thank you so much.